To link PayPal to Robinhood, follow these steps. First, open the Robinhood app and log into your account. If you do not have a Robinhood account, create one by providing the required information and verifying your identity. Once logged in, tap the account icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap Transfers. Select Add Account and choose PayPal from the list of available banks and payment methods. You will be redirected to the PayPal login page where you enter your PayPal email and password to authenticate. After authenticating, you will be asked to authorize Robinhood to link to your PayPal account. Review the terms and conditions. Then confirm the connection. You may be asked to enter a verification code sent to your phone or email to complete the process. Once the connection is established, you can transfer funds from your PayPal account to your Robinhood account. To do this, go back to the Transfers page and select Add Funds. Choose PayPal as the funding source and enter the amount you want to transfer. Review the transfer details and confirm the transaction. It may take a few days for the funds to settle in your Robinhood account. You can check the status of the transfer in the app. After the funds are settled, you can use them to buy stocks, ETFs, options, or cryptocurrencies on the Robinhood platform. To avoid any issues, ensure your PayPal account is verified and has sufficient funds before initiating a transfer. Also, be aware of any fees associated with transferring funds from PayPal to Robinhood. By following these steps, you can easily link your PayPal account to Robinhood and start investing with ease.